We thank you, Allah. Alhamdulillah. The world, the sun, the moon, the stars. Come let us learn what they are. The world, the sun, the moon, the stars. Come let us learn what they are. We thank you, Allah. We thank you, Allah.
Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Sayyidil Anbiya wal Mursaleen. Amma ba'd. Fa'a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalatu wassalamu alayka ya Rasulullah wa ala alika wa ashabika ya Habiballah. Assalatu wassalamu alayka ya Nabiyallah wa ala alika wa ashabika ya Nurullah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, dear friends. How are you all? I hope you are doing great. And welcome to my program, The World of Kids. Our today's episode is about something that was used by our forefathers for prayers, and they mainly made it their homes. So today we are going to talk about something which was really important to our forefathers. So in today's episode, I am going to talk about all the holy caves I know and which are really important for us. And I am going to tell you that what is a cave. So kids, did you know that it takes millions and millions of years to a cave to form? It's not just like boom, there's a cave now. It takes a long time to form. Well, sit down and let me explain to you how caves are formed.
He has granted to us, we must be
Caves are not usually there. Caves aren't always there. They were once formed. Caves mostly form inside rocks, such as marble, limestone, dolomite, and gypsum. These are the rocks which can be easily changed over time. Caves can be formed in a lot of ways, such as from chemical actions, erosion of water, tectonic and volcanic forces, microorganisms, and pressure. Well, you might ask, how are those long and big caves formed? Well, it's really simple. When there are really large rocks and large limestones and the soft rocks I mentioned above, well, they are usually formed when water runs over those soft rocks I mentioned earlier. This water has acid in it, and when it munch-ups, there you go, there is a cave formed. The cave will get bigger, bigger, and bigger over time, unless the water finds another path to leave and the cave is left dry. It can also happen when hot lava melts and creates holes inside the rock. Sometimes the roofs of the caves collapse. That causes to create a room or cavern. Tidal waves near the shore can also cause caves. When the waves hit rocks, it causes caves to be created.
We must be thankful day and night.
Caves can also have cool passageways because of the rocks eroding.
Thank you, Allah.
Now that would be awesome to explore. And there are many different types of caves. Corrosional caves are formed by erosion. These caves can be formed in any type of rock, even very hard granite.
The sun, the moon, the stars. Come let us learn what they are.
But for them to be created, the rocks need a little passageway for the water to go in. You can also get glacier caves, and this happens when water finds a way to flow through the ice.
We thank you, Allah. With all this grace, the bounties of Allah.
Have you ever heard of stalactites or stalagmite? If not, Hear this very carefully because these are some very amazing things inside caves. You can find stalactites on the ceilings of caves. They are very amazing.
Allah, we must be thankful day and night.
They are created by the constant dripping of solid mineral water.
We thank you, Allah. Alhamdulillah.
Which slowly leaves the minerals on the cave tops, and it creates a pointy edge, which I hope you all have seen in many places. Stalagmites, on the other hand, you will find on the cave's floor. They are created by the water, which are filled with minerals falling to the floor.
The world, the sun, the moon.
Then the minerals gather up and start slowly rising up. Sometimes they are as small as a foot, or sometimes as large as a pillar. Just imagine stalactites coming up from the ceiling and stalagmites coming up from the floor. I hope you must have heard about Gare Hira. It is a really important cave for us Muslims, as our Prophet ﷺ used to camp there. The cave of Hira, also known as Gare Hira, was placed on Mount Al-Nur, also known as Jabal Nur.
For all the joys He blessed us with, we thank you, Allah.
And it can be seen from a far distance, and it is really small. It is around 12 feet in length and 5 feet in width.
Come let us learn what they are.
This was the place where our Prophet ﷺ was honored with prophethood, and this is where our Prophet got his first revelation of Quran. It was revealed during the month of Ramadan to benefit the humanity that has gone astray.
All this grace, the bounties of Allah, He has granted.
Our beloved Prophet ﷺ used to go there to perform worship. So kids, from my personal experience, once I went to Gare Hira, it took me about 3 to 4 hours to reach to the top, and I can tell you it was totally worth it. I had to take a lot of stops because it was 2 or 3 years ago and I was really small at that time. Not just Gare Hira, there are many other caves that are really important and really significant to us Muslims. So kids, we should not forget about these important places to us, because just looking at them, we can remember about all of our past. And just by going there, we can get all the blessings from the prophets which have been there already. And we can just feel the comfort in there. Like when I went to Gare Hira, just going there made me comfortable personally. So kids, I hope you liked our today's episode. Keep watching Madani Channel English. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We thank you, Allah. Alhamdulillah. The world, the sun, the moon, the stars. Come let us learn what they are. The world, the sun, the moon, the stars. Come let us learn